So I would really love to encourage all librarians out there who are watching this series to reach out to your local legal aid programs and help us do a better job of making justice for all a reality in our communities. There are lots of different strategies that I can suggest, and I'm sure that all of you are going to come up with your own ideas. Here's some that we've used in Maine that I think are pretty effective. We started our effort in part working with our state law librarian, who helped connect us to other librarians in the state, and also obviously encourage the importance of promoting understanding of the law as a goal for all the librarians. So that was really helpful to us in just reaching people in communities that we might not have staff living to make those local connections. We, in Maine, also started using Law Day, which is May 1st, as a way to have staff and volunteer lawyers come into a library that had video conference connections, especially to other libraries in the state, as a way to provide trainings that could be streamed to other library locations and could be advertised in advance so that local people from the community could come in and watch a presentation about landlord-tenant rights or school challenges for kids with learning disabilities, or information about how to deal with a denial of Social Security benefits, or fill in the blank. So that's a great way, because libraries are a very safe space for our clients to go, and they're a judgment-free zone. So our clients are really comfortable going there to get this information. We have also used local libraries, have been willing to let us have clinics in some of the common room space that could be kept confidential for local staff attorneys and volunteer attorneys to potentially meet with clients to provide a clinic. We've done in Portland, we had for a while a clinic for low-income veterans who wanted to meet with someone who is a specialist about veterans benefits issues, and a local law firm staffed that project, and it was a great resource in our community. We have also tried to think of ways to make information available in libraries so that it's not so dependent on overworked staff to make the referral to a legal aid program. So having poster space and being able to bring in posters or handouts or brochures and put them on the common meeting tables in the libraries in Maine. There almost always are spaces like that, and it's a great way to just have a visual reminder about the legal aid resources in the area and how to access help from them. Finally, I would really encourage everybody to reach out to the directors of the legal aid programs that serve your community. They will be so grateful to get that phone call. And you can then talk to them about ideas that, either based on your local experience or their experience, would be a good new project or partnership to undertake in your library. Again, the most important thing I think to remember is that for people in Maine, and I know this is true everywhere, the library is a safe space for people to go. And so being able to leverage that wonderful reputation as a place of learning and then introduce information about people's legal rights and benefits is just a really effective way to make the most of this partnership.